Hey everybody, so I got a new pizza oven from BigHorn. This one was sent over for me to try out, and this one is a pellet fueled one. I'll go ahead and show you everything up close. I'll fire it up, show you how to set it up the first time, and then we'll cook something with it. Here in the front we do have our door that's easily removable, and inside we will find our pizza stone. Assembly is super easy. The chimney just slides right in and just snaps right on. The little chimney does come off and you can cover it where it is completely covered. Now on the back side, we do have our ash tray and our pellet tray, and we do have our little chute here. That way we can feed more pellets. Now it also comes with a pizza cutter, a little tool that you can use to open up the little hopper and to pull out the little ash tray when it's hot. Now this, like I said, this one does use pellets, so you're gonna wanna use a hardwood pellet and just put some here in the pan. And also you're gonna need to use like a fire starter. Now what I do is I take a fire starter that I use for like my solo stove and I chop it up, and then I will use that to get these pellets going. Now the first time you use this, you want to get it up to high temperature and let it run for about 30 minutes at high temperature so it can burn off all the residual oils and any kind of other residual crap that might be on there from the factory. So let's go ahead and get it started and we'll get it going. All right, now it'll take a few minutes for these pellets to get ignited and fully going. We're getting it started though. Once your pellets are going, you can feed more pellets into the hopper as you wish. Now to give you a little bit of look down in that hopper, you'll see that tray there with the pellets in there. They are catching fire and everything should be heating up here shortly. All right, we are back towards the evening now. I do have it heating up to use again. I already did the heat up to max temperature, cooled it down. Right now it is roaring full speed. I got it full of pellets, or not quite full, but I got pellets I've been feeding in. You can see a little bit of flame, or maybe the camera sees a little bit of flame coming out the chimney here. Also, I didn't mention you can use a fan if you need to help blow in behind it, and that can help fuel the fire a little bit. Now you will want an infrared thermometer to monitor the temperatures of this if you want to be more precise with your temperature. In order to control your temperature, you may have to leave the door open to allow some of the air in, or you may need to fuel less pellets, feed it more pellets. But like right now, it is going over 600 degrees in here. You're gonna wanna put your pizza in there, rotate it every 15-20 seconds. It should only take you a couple of minutes, if that, to finish it. You could also cook steaks on these. I'm not gonna cook a steak today because I don't have any, but you could cook a steak. And the directions say for 20 seconds per side, flip it over a couple times, and your steak should be about medium well with the hot temperature about 650 degrees. We used it to do several pizzas though. They did turn out really nice. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this pizza oven. I think it's a really good pizza oven. It works great. I love the pellet fuel personally. I think it's a lot better than trying to do the regular wood or do propane. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.